107.54. Two-tenths faster than what she was last night in the prelim session of that 100 split. Second down, India Dukanova, the Russian Olympic Committee. And third on the outside in lane 8, Abby Wood of Great Britain. Come to the wall, touching in. Time 2:19:30.